2020-21 product. So we're finally getting some SP
Means this guy
authentic.
could be in here, right?
Of course, they would probably have both years, 2020, 21, 21, 22.
But I mean, rookie. I
believe.
mean, a Future Watch rookie auto. We could pull a Lafreniere.
Sure. I mean, I think he's going to have a huge year next year, to be honest with you. So I think he's a phenomenal young player. Phenomenal. So the box sets in this, I mean, you get 2 autograph cards, including 1 base set autograph Future Watch rookies, including mystery black parallels, or 1 2010-11 retro Future
right
Watch
autograph
card.
Sorry.
Wow!
Tyler Toffoli, gold ink, numbered to 25, sign of the times with the Go Habs.
Like the gold ink there, too. That's really nice.
Wow. That took no time at all, baby.
No, that's
Boom.
a beaut. Rob, you're on fire, my man.
I am.
The sign of the times. Rob is on fire. Also in the box, you get 1 additional autograph card, which could be a Future Watch card, 1 Spectrum FX Bounty card, 3 base set limited red parallels, and 6 inserts.
Patrice Bergeron. Celebrated moments, Kirill Kaprizov.
Oh, that's a nice
Scores overtime winner in NHL debut, January 14th, 2021.
Woohoo!
Josh Bailey, Colton Parenko.
James has to love Kaprizov.
Ryan Dingzall, Ryan Getzlaff, Leon Draisaitl. That's a parallel.
Yeah, he's awesome.
Red parallel.
55 goals this past season.
Matt Murray, Miro Heiskanen. Eric Stahl, Dougie Hamilton, red parallel, Alexander Barkov.
Another great player.
Ryan O'Reilly, John Klingberg.
Just a nice clean design on the SP Authentic.
Yep, one of my favorites. Just keep it simple.
Of course.
Connor McDavid, Seth Jones.
The nephew of Donovan McNabb.
You know, Chris, I interviewed his dad.
Did you?
Popeye at the NHL
Oh, yeah, Popeye.
draft.
Yeah. Ooh, that's a nice card.
Yeah, look at that. That's great. Leaders. Some guy named Alexander Ovechkin. Roman Yossi and John.
That's how you would pronounce it if he was a nobody. We would have a lot of trouble with it.
Jack Hughes, Dominic Kubalik, Connor McDavid.
Nice parallel.
Second red parallel for the Oilers.
Yeah.
Dylan Strom, David Pastrnak. America runs on Duncan.
If you had to buy in and buy the Oilers, it would be a nice break.
Nathan McKinnon.
Nice. World champ.
David Perron.
Ooh, what's that?
Old school. Malkin. This is a retro design. Don't ask me what year. Jake Gensel. Tyson Berry. I want to say 03, 04.
For the Malkin?
Yeah. I don't actually memorize the sell sheets when they come in.
Me neither. But
An-
there's a lot of information on them a lot of times too.
Anthony Mantha, Brad Marchand. All right, so since we have another one, you got to tell us what it is.
That one. Let's see. Let me
Just look
find
on
it.
the sell sheet. Is it 0506?
Is that a Future Watch?
No.
No. Yeah, I think that was a Future Watch. Let's see.
Zach Wernerski and Braden Point. Yanni Gordry, Brendan Gallagher, Celebrated Moments, Quinn Hughes. Hughes helps Pacific Division win NHL All-Star game.
That's pretty cool.
Artemi Panarin, wish he was still a Hawk. Tyler Sagan. Matthew Tkachuk, Jack Eichel. Spectrum FX,
Ooh,
Nico
nice.
Hischier. That's the bounty card.
I'm gonna say 2010 because that's what they keep on mentioning, but
We'll go with 2010 then. Alex Ovechkin, Jonathan Drouin. Carter Hart,
mhm.
Alexander Barkov, Pierre-Luc Dubois on the retro, Cal Foote,
Oh, that's cool.
Future Watch, number to 999.
Nice.
Yeah, solid.
That's a good one. Yeah. Down here in
Max
Tampa.
Pacioretty,
The Lightning had a great run.
Nick Schmaltz, Mark Stone,
Ooh.
Spectrum FX Future Watch, Morgan Geeky,
Ooh, that's a nice card.
level 1. Sebastian Aho, Pecorine. Alex Tuch, Leon Draisaitl, Leaders, Jordan Stahl,
Nice.
Jonathan Huberdeau,
And
Ryan Suter.
as always, I love the marketing by Upper Deck. They do a fantastic job.
The way I feel though, all those thick decoy cards, I want a thick real card.
Of course.
I feel like I'm entitled to one. Carey Price.
Well, with your hot hands, you're going to get
Jordan
one.
Stahl.
Oh, that's a nice
great
card.
photo. Connor
Yeah.
McDavid gets first postseason hat trick.
Oh, that's sweet.
Super cool. Super cool. Anze Kopitar. Nikita Kucherov.
He's a stud. Like that McDavid card, that's one that you just wish was autographed. It would just be even amazing.
Very true. Josh Gibson. Victor Olofsson. Leaders, Mark Giordano. Connor Hellebuck. Dustin Brown.
The simplicity of these cards, there's just something about it that just make it even better. Just the white.
Yep. John Carlson. Bo Horvat. Miro Heiskanen on the retro. Evgeny Malkin. Matthew Barzal. Second 2 packs left. One after this.
Nice.
Braden Shen. Austin Matthews.
NHL MVP, our trophy.
Rasmus Dahlin. Thomas Hurdle. Andre Vasilevsky.
Big Cat.
No, that's Andras Galarraga.
But they call him the Big Cat too, Vazzy.
Travis Konecny. Mark Giordano.
Ooh.
We did get a second auto, a Future Watch auto, numbered to 999 of Alexander Barbanov.
Nice. Did you think you were not going to get a second autograph, Rob? The way
I
you're
don't-
going right now, you'll get a
Sidney
third.
Crosby, Dylan Larkin. Solid box.
Oh,
Okay.
that's a nice one.
So sign of the times, Tyler Toffoli, numbered to 25, gold ink auto to 1 winner. Toronto building on their young core, Alexander Barbanov, Future Watch rookie auto, numbered to 999, going to 1 winner. And then a third winner is getting the Future Watch Cal Foot, the Future Watch Morgan Geeky. That's also a bounty because it's a Spectrum FX card, and then the Nico Hischier bounty card. So that's a nice little 3-pack there.
Of course.